Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Master Pyraminx. This is my first bigger order Pyraminx, and I'm really excited to show you guys this one, and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro. Okay, so what's on the box? It's quite a standard Qi box. You have the Pyraminx in stickers, but I chose the stickerless version. You have Mats Valk, what a legend. He's from the Netherlands, which is a neighboring country of Belgium, so quite cool. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here you have the Master Pyraminx. How do you do first turns on this one? Like, it has ball bearings, I'm guessing. It definitely has a snap to it, which I really like to Pyraminxes because they tend to deform much if they don't have ball bearings or magnets. The tips as well, I'm guessing. I don't see any ball bearings here. Like I said, I've never solved a bigger order Pyraminx, so it's quite exciting for me to check this out. Like you see, it has primary internals, and the other pieces are just a two-piece design. I guess I'm just going to scramble it immediately, so let's go for it. One of my policies for new cubes is I must scramble them at least once, no matter how intimidating they look. So yeah. I have some puzzles laying around which aren't solved yet, like the puppet cubes. The puppet cubes are quite difficult for me. I don't know if you guys can solve one, but leave it in the comments. um, these are also quite distinguishable colors, and I really like the ball bearing or magnetic click to it. It's very distinguishable. So yeah, how do you start with this one? It's a quite smooth turning cube. I don't know if you can check corner cutting on it. Man, I guess you don't. But hey, it's a bigger order cube. You don't have to corner cut it. It's very smooth to turn. I'm guessing this is a first stage to it, no? Like the hazard sign? I don't know. This must be something, right? I know everybody laughing at their screen right now. No, you stupid. But I'm going to solve this off camera. As of now, I'm quite pleased with the feel of this Pyraminx. I was going to say cube, was I? I don't know if I said cubes many times in this video, but I'm going to edit my mistakes. I know I said cube just once or twice. I just know it. Okay, this was it for the video. I know it was short. I'm going to get back to you as soon as it's solved. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to purchase this Pyraminx, you can do so at speedcubeshop.com. and you can use a discount code BSB5 for 5% off your order. It helps me out a lot. It helps me build the channel. It helps me create content. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.
Hey there, Cubers. It's Belgian Speedcuber from the future here, and here you see my progress on how I tackled the Pyraminx. At first, I wasn't quite sure how to tackle it, and here you see that I wasn't using the method of centers first, and it was quite a fun experience for me to tackle this puzzle. And I don't have a lot of experience on the original Pyraminx, but my prior knowledge of solving big cubes helped me out a lot to tackle this puzzle. Here you see some edges left, and here is the last tree. This was, yeah, quite a fun experience to solve it, quite a challenge. Not too difficult, but yeah, fun to solve on. If you have any questions concerning this puzzle or others, please leave it in the comments below and I'll try to help as soon as possible. And if you made it to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. And here you see a preview of all the other cubes I'm going to review. Leave it in the comments below what you're most excited about. And thank you so much for the support.